Okay, so I'm super passionate about setting up multiple streams of income to rebuild your finances after a divorce. Also, all of this helps with building your confidence, finding your voice again, and creating the life you want on your terms. I mean, we as women have spent a lot of time taking care of everyone else, and we kind of forget about the life we want to create, how we want to live on our terms. So this is how I'm going about doing this, and I just want to share it with you guys. So I knew I wanted to start something online, and I knew that that could change my situation dramatically. I was struggling financially after a divorce and unable to pay rent at times and feed my kids, and it was absolutely terrible. So I searched and searched and searched for something to do online. I got burned in an MLM. I lost money on different courses. It was horrible. And then I finally found a program that showed me how to set everything up with multiple streams of income. And that's kind of when everything started shifting for me. And so that was this first program here, Legacy Builders. We're now on version 2.0. It's amazing. I'm licensed and certified through that program, and this program alone gives me 4 streams of income. And this is the program that gave me the blueprint, gave me the map on how to get from A to B. I love this program. I love the founder. She is amazing, and this program really changed my life. From there, they launched a mastermind. I'm in this mastermind. It is incredible. We first had our first live event. Being there in person changed everything. I really felt my heart like opening back up. I had been shut down for so long after my, challenging marriage, even worse divorce. And it was so incredible to feel my heart opening and be in the room with so many like-minded entrepreneurs. I'm also an affiliate for this program. So if anyone decides to join the mastermind through me, I get a 40% affiliate commission on that, which is fantastic. The other thing I started, and I'm working on this right now, is launching my own community. I just want to help other women. My community is free right now, and this is for women rebuilding after divorce. Eventually it will be membership-based, subscription-based monthly, but for right now it's free. I'm also in the Digital Growth Community Builders program, and I'm affiliate for this as well. So if someone wants to learn how to launch their own community and they join this through me, I also get a 40% affiliate commission off that. I'm also an affiliate for Boss Babe Collective. Amazing mentor there. She is phenomenal at getting leads. This is one of the hardest things to do in an online business. I'm also an affiliate for that. I have scroll stopping edits. I took this course, another program by a mom. All of these programs that I have joined were founded by a mom. And that really is important to me. Scroll Stopping Edits taught me how to edit videos on CapCut. It's a phenomenal program. She does a great job of explaining, and it's incredible. And if anyone buys this program through me, I also get an affiliate commission on that. Okay, letters. Some of you may have heard this. You can write letters to huge multi-billion-dollar companies. They are casinos. They need to give you free sweeps coins or entering via the mail. And so 1 sweeps coin equals $1. You send a little letter on a 4x6 blank index card. You have to say something specific. You send it in. They give you the sweeps coins. You have to play them through once, and that turns into actual money. I paid my rent this way for a long time. Make Wellness. Make Wellness is an MLM. I got burned by an MLM. That's why this isn't my primary way to earn money. That's all of this up here. But Make Wellness, I love the products. These are bioactive precision peptides. I am an affiliate. I don't really advertise this. I have some friends that bought through me. I just keep it pretty mellow with that, but I do like the products. Live Good. Think about Amazon meets Netflix. It's a subscription wellness company, and you make money when people sign up underneath you. And so this is kind of a long game. I'm not sure how it will play out. There's a lot of people really into it. but I am a member of Live Good. And again, this is something I make an affiliate commission off. And with Make Wellness, I would make money when people buy products through me, the peptides, or if someone signs up under me and they make money through selling the products. Classic MLM right here. And then I have my own ebooks, some PDFs, and some guides. A lot of these I give away for free, but I can charge a little bit for them. I have some books that are like $7. My PDFs and guides are all free right now. But that's it. I just wanted to give an example of how I'm building an online business with multiple streams of income. So right now, that's 4, 5, 6, going to be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then we'll count that as 13. That's 13 different ways to make money online. If you have any questions, let me know. Reach out to me. I want to hear if you have any income streams that I don't have up here. I would love to hear about them. Okay, I'm Chris. Take care. Stay tuned. There'll be more videos about multiple streams of income, how to rebuild after a divorce. That's what I'm really passionate about, helping women rebuild after a divorce, find their voice, and create their life on their terms. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.